know what? After that, mayroon akong steak na marinate guys. Since he likes that, I will eat the steak.
I need something to drink.
I wonder if the kids even like that.
It is so dry.
Uy, ginuok ko, uy. Guys, Frank failed his experiment. In the end, I have to help him because parang hindi niya alam yung ginagawa niya, guys. He wants to do...
I did that.
Yeah.
The best.
He wants to do like chicken nuggets, na? He want to do chicken nuggets. Then homemade siya, guys. Yun palang gusto niya lutuin. Tapos, when I came in here, nangamoy yung food processor. Nangamoy kasi nasunog lang nyo, guys. Ang sinabi niya nung pumasok ako kasi ang nangamoy ng sunog. He said he's gonna buy a new one. And I'm so pissed off because I don't wanna spend again 30 euros para lang dyan. Dahil dito sa experiment niyang food na hindi ko alam.
It was 25, no?
No, it's 29.99. So it's 30 euros.
Oh, yeah.
Ano? Tagal na niya. Tapos gusto mong bumili ng bago dahil lang dito sa failed mong... I knew it already, guys, na ang gusto niyang gawin is homemade na chicken nuggets. Tapos ngayon, nagmamasa siya dito, hindi niya alam ang gagawin niya or hindi na niya alam kung anong gagawin niya. So, wife to the rescue. See, in the end, you still really need wife. Now we can do this here. Poor guy, eh? How to do it? How to do this? So, hindi ko alam kasi siya ang nag-try.
Husband to the rescue.
Yeah, you need that one to, when they try, we try it if it's true.
All you have to do is...
Okay. First time ko kaya to. It's my first time. So I put this there, okay? How many minutes you do it,
It
right?
says it there.
No, pero how many
It
minutes?
says it there, here.
I hope-
Chicken, 180 degrees. In how many minutes? 25 to 30 minutes. And fries, 18 to 20 minutes.
Okay, we try this first. Try muna namin.
Looks good.
Hindi siya same ang sizes, but we try this first.
Put that away here.
That's my banana cake.
Yeah, and then put that further in the middle, in the back.
Ang
I
init.
mean,
It's hot.
where it's hot.
This one.
Yeah, that's fine.
Then, I do how many minutes?
25.
Don't put this yet.
Put more.
Lagay pa tayo ng kuan. I hope the taste is fine. Kasi hindi nag-add kami ng flour kasi palpak nga yung ginawa niya, guys. And I hope salty enough. If not, that means Frank failed the experiment. It's your first time.
Yeah.
First time niya to nagawin. Tapos I found out, nag-idea ako na ano ang gusto niyang gawin. So, sabi ko, bakit mo kailangan that one? Then I have idea already when I see his ingredients. Ay, naku,
And my hands were so full of that stuff. Wouldn't come off anymore.
So let's see if this is yummy. Kasi hindi na ako nag-add ng spices dito. Siya na ang nag-ano, pero since nagdagdag kami ng flour, I hope ang spices enough lang.
Let's see what the kids are doing.
Hallo.
Ella is doing a good job.
Hallo, nicht Video machen. Und wer? Go, go, kuss, kuss, kuss.
Did you do outdoor things?
Ja.
Good. On him you have to do it.
She's editing pictures. She's almost halfway through.
Look how many is the
Still, you're doing a good job.
Huh? That's not good.
And Vanessa's doing
Save,
slides.
yeah.
She's renaming the photos, putting a date in the registration and all that stuff. So the database will be able to sort that later automatically. Also doing a good job when she's under surveillance. Okay, good. Keep up the good work. There's yummy food waiting for you,
What?
but not yet. Still have to do it. Francie is already sleeping.
I put it already. Naglagay na ako. Mga ilang pieces yun. 7 pieces siguro yun. Flavored naman to. This is flavored, I think, from
Is it? No, it's only.
for coating.
No, it's only crumbs.
Yeah.
Taste it. You can eat that. It's only crumbs.
Lagyan ko ng salt. I think
Good job I bought Coke. Because you're going to be so thirsty later.
No, I don't think so. I think the taste will be different. Na siya guys, pero I think I failed tong cooking namin. Uy, kasi just ano na lang, a minutes na lang. Mga 5 minutes na lang. Tapos na siya guys. Then, let's see. Ayan siya guys. Ewan ko kung masarap to eh. Para siyang naging ano. Ito na kaya to. Try natin. Slice natin siya guys. Eh, ewan ko talaga guys. Parang hindi siya masarap. Parang palpak talaga siya. Hindi siya masarap. I knew it ay wala siyang lasa kasi yung mixture niya tabang siya. Wala siyang, hindi siya salty, walang ano. Ito talaga si Frank. Uy, at saka napadamihan ng flour. Ewan ko, uy. Palpak siya. Hindi siya ano. I'm very disappointed now. My God. Ano tong ginawa ni Franco eh. Palpak siya. Papatikim ko to sa kanya. Nag-ano ako yung ngayon ng fries guys para makakain na sila yung kids. Hindi siya masarap. Honestly. Kulay dapig-dapig. Sorry Frank. Palpak talaga yung gusto mong lutuin. Gagawin ko to siya one day. Papatikim ko sa kanya kung what is exactly should it taste. Hay nako, mister. Hindi talaga siya pang kusina material. Iba talaga. Hindi talaga pang ano si mister pang kusina. Hindi ko naman i-deny na wala talaga siyang alam magluto guys. Kasi noon din nagluto siya sa amin sa Philippines. Akala namin anong lutuin, potato, ano lang pala. Hindi siya pang kusina talaga, hindi siya marunong magluto. Pero at least he tried his best na iparas lang ako. Sabi niya kasi siya daw ang magluto, andon. That's okay. Pero, I'm so sorry but this is failed talaga. Walang kalasa-lasa talaga siya guys. Kulang siya. Nasayang lang yung chicken. Tuyuhan ko na lang kaya to. Ewan ko ba eh. Ang gawin ko nito eh.
As I said, it's not chicken nuggets really. Cut.
There's no taste.
It's over.
What is over? Bye guys now.
See you next time.
when we cook the way you should not do. I should have my own channel actually.
At least you tried. Okay. better luck next time. I told you.
Actually, I like it.
You like?
It's fine. It's better than nothing.
Yeah. You
Better
like
than
it?
bread.
And then bring that to work.
I take it.
There's no salt in it. There's no taste.
There's even garlic inside.
I told you we need to put loads of salt and corn. I don't know because
I say it's fine.
Do you taste it?
No.
Okay. So it's 5-star. You know what?
Definitely not 5, but 10.
You know what? After that, meron akong steak na marinate guys since he likes that. I will eat the steak.
I need something to drink.
I wonder if the kids even like that.
It is so dry.
Uy, ginuok ko, uy. You need Coke? You said you need Coke because it's very gonna be so salty. I told you. Trust my wife's instinct, eh. Trust my cooking thing. Well, tapos na ang fries. Ayan. Pagod siya tingnan dyan, pero hindi naman siya masyadong pagod. Partner sana yan dyan, guys. Kaso palpak siya. Ewan ko bang Frank, eh. Ay, ang bot ang gini mo, Frank. So, papakainin na namin sila, eh.
They like it.
They like it? And they can have that. They are just probably so hungry. It's already PM 8, almost 9. That's why they like it, because they are so hungry already.
They want to finish.
What? Let them eat now. And are you gonna finish that now? Okay. You like it, na? So guys, ito yung minarinate ko na meat. In-fry namin siya. Then we will taste now kung anong difference niya kung sa pan siya or sa oven and, or sa air fryer, kung same lang ba. Nakita niyo na yan kanina, di ba? Yan yung kuan. Malapit na maubos nila. Frank, nagustuhan naman nila. Say, okay, taste, Frank. Oh.
You should have shown that before.
Yeah.
It's done.
Yeah.
So it's again like
Yeah.
Jean is not doing the full stuff.
Yeah, it's okay. Is the difference?
Difference between black and white between the two of them.
So, you know me how I cook in the pan. Let me taste. Need another. How about you eat all that then before you decide? Or the spices is not enough? It's fine?
Too much.
Too much spices?
It's kind of hot.
Yeah, because I put. Normally we eat this with. I'm the expert of cooking. Since I always the one who's cooking here at home, I know the difference. Frank is really not.
Make it closer of your mouth.
It's fine, just that I put too much spices in it, na? It's fine in the air fryer. It's beef. It's not also
That's
beef.
why.
It's not pork. You get used to pork, but this is beef.
Too expensive, not in this household.
It's fine.
Yeah.
So next time i-try ko yung pork steak dito. So you're giving that to me. I know your style. I know the trick.
So when
Giving that to me because he's gonna take that. Nice one.
I think that's caught in the act.
But I know how you are.
Was worth a try. So I clicked on you.